Hello and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, remember to hit that subscribe button, and thank you to everybody who hits that like button and shares the information. I'm going to do a reading today for a general read for all signs for the month of February. I had a beautiful friend call around yesterday. We had a really amazing talk, a high energy talk, and we were talking about energies and the consciousness and where the world's going and all of that. And it was very interesting. We were both getting the same messages about what's going on energetically for everybody, the vibrations that are going on. So we're going to do a reading. This is for everybody. Take what resonates, what doesn't. It is just a message through and from spirit. As you know, I'm a channeler. I feel and see and hear. So roles can be reversed. You place it where it fits. Now, it's interesting because yesterday we were talking about this and I said, and my friend said as well, we both said it, Tower, 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 month of February. Look at this, January, February, but more February. February is tower, tower. And what was the first card that came out was the tower, the Fool card. So having faith, you know, whatever this tower brings for everybody. And by the way, it's unavoidable. It's from the universe. So can I just say this? No interference can happen. No manipulation of people's free will. That's our dark arts people. That is manipulation. You know, when people get away with it, or you don't see something, clarity. And what I see with this card, these cards are beautiful. Look at the clarity. There is, oh, is that right? Yeah, the light is coming through here from the divine. This is something that can't be manipulated, can't be unseen, can't be tricked, can't be manipulated. This is a major arcana followed by a major arcana, the Fool card. So that's about path and direction. And I do think with that, there is going to be, we've got conflict, fighting, we've got issues. But what I think with this Tower card, whatever it is, Tower is, it's changing, okay? It's coming down. Whatever facade, I think for some people it's shocking. It's going to be, oh my God, I didn't see that. And for others of you, towers bring a new tower. They bring a new path, a better path, okay? So never be afraid of the tower, but it is unavoidable change. But I am seeing breakthroughs and things being seen before that have never been seen before in someone or a place or a situation, okay? So, and this is going to put you on the new path. Ace of Swords here, alignment, absolute alignment and clarity, and that is communication. So that's very interesting. And Two of Coins is about a decision, okay? We've got the Magician. Now also in this card, the Magician is shining a light. Magician creates new, manifests, sets intentions, but I've just got this higher power energy here, and that's why this cannot be manipulated by people, places, situations, rituals, spellcraft, whatever it is, whatever that work, you know, whatever has been able to get it over someone before, let's say false unions, false connections, false realities, false, it's being awakened by the higher divine. That's why it can't be interfered with, because over here we have the Wheel of Fortune, the spinning wheel of change, major arcana, Judgment. So this wheel is spinning, being judged by the universe. Major arcana, universe. This is crazy. Universe, universe, universe. Hermit, have faith, universe. All major arcanas. Their month of February is kind of like out of your hands. And it is judgment. There is judgment on the wheel, on the change, on the changes that need to be made. Absolutely 100%. Moon card over here on this side, illusion and delusion. Wherever you have been under illusion and delusion, because this tree of life is like a plan, a map, a grid set up by the divine for much higher purposes than we can even possibly understand. Nobody can fight this setup, okay? And there's certain things that need to be constructed, like put in place. So this can be all of a sudden people being moved. They show me like a chessboard, and all of a sudden the universe picks it up and goes, you need to be there, you need to be there, and you need to be there. But this isn't about 3D stuff. This is about bigger spiritual alignment and a grid system, a gridding. There's a gridding. So all of a sudden, out of nowhere, you could move, change, have to be in a new location, town, which means a different frequency. Job, whatever it is. See, the Hermit under the Ace of Wands. This is yes. This is going to be a knowing, a calling. You could be put in hermit mode for this gridding to happen. So, you know, if you need to, something needs to be removed from your life. Hermit, removed, alone, isolated, yes. Inward, an awakening. I want to know more about this Wheel of Fortune and the Judgment. Yep. Seven of Swords. Deceit, deception, trickery, trying to get away with things. But what that means on a higher vibration is this. What that means is where we've deceived ourselves, where we thought something was going to happen, or some destiny was going to happen, or some path was supposed to happen, or some dream or fantasy or idea, right? Let's just say that so that people understand. All of a sudden, you're like, that's not what I want. Or I'm not connected to that. Or I thought I wanted that, but I want that. And this is coming from the universe. So don't fight this. Don't think you can get it over the universe, because that's what your High Priestess on the Judgment card. Oh, I cannot make this up. Don't think you can trick the universe. Don't think you can trick something that is designed, gridded. Let's use the word grid. They wanted me to use gridded up. So this is powerful. And the High Priestess, what does she hold? The Akashic Records, the knowledge from the universe, the intuition, the psychic. She works for the higher up. And guess what? The higher up are calling judgment. Judgment Day is upon us. Now, where the wheel spins depends on the work you've done. If it ends something for you, it's meant to end. And it only, by the way, brings better, because we've got the Magician, we've got the Page of Cups, so that's another offer coming in. We've got the Knight of Swords, passion, direction, clarity, and we've got the Have Faith card. And the Fool card's about going on a journey and having faith. So this is new. This is new. New is coming in. And I can tell you it's part of a bigger grid. It's part of a bigger grid. And it is, it's a yes, it's a new beginning. We've got the Ace of Wands beside the Moon card. Three of Swords. Old hurt, heartbreak. There could be some heavy emotions, having to leave people, places, situations behind, maybe. Yep. 5, 6, 7 of Wands. Yep. Fighting, arguing, defending yourself, people coming at you. King of Pentacles. This is something you want to do. Justice. Okay. Good. So again, reviewing, seeing things in people, places, situations, untruths, truths, justice. I mean, we've got justice here. We've got the High Priestess on Judgment on the fated Wheel of Change. I just need to sit with this for a little minute, because this is like the biggest judgment month of The wheel's spinning. Judgment, the high priestess, the higher up are doing the judgment. Justice is coming to anyone's security, stability that has been interfered with, or past hurt, pain or suffering. Maybe. This is so big, guys. Yeah. Abandonment, lack. That's a message for one. Okay, one group. For any of you that you're getting justice for anyone that interfered with your money, security, stability, abundance, whether that's a relationship, money, job, career, whatever it was for you. Pain, it was pain, suffering, hurt, loss. You had to defend yourself. Now I'm talking to the people who were innocent within this, who may have copped other people's karma, the back end of things, always got the blame, let's say, always got abandoned, rejected, blamed, thrown out, seen as the bad one. But actually you had no involvement in that, because here you are defending yourself. They're coming at you. You're not coming at them. You're doing your own thing. This person's doing their own thing. They're coming at you. So this is someone who got the wrong end of the deal, or always copped the other side of the story. And it's like that feeling, the feeling I'm getting is, I wasn't even there. I didn't even, how am I the bad one? I just kind of did my own thing. Like, how did I get, yeah. The blame, someone that always got the blame. People laid a lot of responsibility on you. They were happy for you to take the fall. People, places and situations that were happy for you to take the fall. Whoever that was, justice is being served. What's the second message? That's going to be someone's wheel of judgment. Hanged man. Yeah. So the other group, there is the death card. We've got the 6 of coin and we've got the hanged man. So this is not seeing something clearly. This is reverse, even facing the other way. So something was turned upside down. You thought it was one way and it was the other way. You thought it was like this and it was like that. And being stuck in that, not able to see it, okay? For this, yeah. And what that was about control. That was about someone controlling and manipulating you. Like, here's one coin. I'll tell you when you can have another coin. So coins can be anything, okay? So there's someone definitely here. There's a group here. Your judgment, the wheel of change, the higher up are now serving those orders. I just saw a scroll, like, here you go. Yeah, that was about control. There's a death to that, or they were putting a death to you, keeping you, like death means blocking you, stuck. Ending you. So I tell you what you can do and have, and when you can have it and why you can have it, and I'll dish those coins out one by one if you be good or do what I say or whatever. There's a lot of control here because we've got the hanged man. This person was so blind to that. So blind to that. Yep. Hanged man, and it created a lot of, on the hanged man, a lot of illusion, a lot of sleepless, restless nights, stress, could have affected someone's health. It just completely controlled them. They've got a helmet on here and it's even beside them. So they were mentally, someone was mentally controlled. The star card, yeah, wow, oh my gosh. Now the star card's wish fulfillment and all of that. So this person wanted to control your wish fulfillment, and the other message in this was someone had power over someone's light, someone had power over someone's destiny, someone had power over someone's free will, someone was able to see, and she's pouring that in with a very smug look on her face. He, she, there's no gender here. Very smug, like, I know what I'm doing to you, and I know how to work this, and I know how to manipulate your energy. And that's very dark, I know, but that's the message. And yeah, even this Page of Wands, who's a page, who's like a manipulator, like, yes, does things for their own spontaneous gain, does things fast for quick results, for quick gain, you know, there's no depth to it, there's no fast move. The smug look on this person's face is incredible, and that's under the Devil card. Okay, can we have a third message, please? Can we have a third message? I'm going to have to wrap it up soon, so I have to start work. Wow. I actually, in my head, just said, what is this Magician about? I can't believe this has come out. The Magician on the Devil. I don't even want to go into this. The higher up has seen anyone and everyone who tried to create illusion and delusion in someone's life. Vice versa. And when we get the Devil card, here's how I want to wrap it up, because I'm so sick of hearing it, but because we've had tower after tower after tower after tower for months now, for the last several months, 6 months or whatever, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 months, they said. It's about interference, about toxicity, blah, blah, blah. But it's also, what it really means is this. The devil manipulates your free will. So whether it's manipulation, trickery, illusion, delusion, spell work, I don't know, toxic behaviours, obsessions, addictions, I don't know. It's something that can or has, because with the magician, this is someone who believes they can manipulate your energy, the outcome, the big picture, direct life, say how it's going to go through whatever means possible to control. Oh dear. Yeah. That Page of Cups, whoever was doing that, and the look on their face is, oh, I've been caught. They see me. And they were making these offers, they were doing this. That shows me whatever this manipulation was, whatever this manipulation of other people's free will. They knew what they were doing, and now it's that look. You know, when you catch a dog doing something, like, I know you did it, and they're like, oh. They've been caught. They know. They're embarrassed, humiliated. They, oh my gosh. But they're not looking at these 2 cups behind them. And what the 2 cups behind them is have faith. We are trying to put you on a new path that you were refusing to go on, that you were refusing, that you were interfering, that you were manipulating within yourself or someone around you. You place it where it fits. Yep, look at that. Knight of Swords, passion, deceit, deception, trickery, trying to get away with stuff. Have faith. Your ships are coming in. So we feel like we've got a group that this is being done to, has been done to, and that could be over years. Years and years and years and years. Could be a fated cycle, you know, could be something they were destined to go through. Doesn't have to be your current your current situation, it will be attached to that. But what I'm saying here is, whoever these energies are that think they can manipulate people's free will, get away with things, control, dictate, put someone under illusion and delusion, not being their truth, give misleading information. I mean, we see that in the media, in lots of things today. The world, the governments, the media, the environment, the teachings, that we see it in lots of things. So any even foundation that was in this trickery, you know, getting it over people, creating fear, telling them what they can have and what they can't have. I mean, we can look at it as an overall energy of a system that created illusion and delusion. We don't have to, and it does affect us personally because we're all personally involved with that. So we're seeing it there. This is not just a direct personal thing, which kind of, they're interconnected, or all interconnected, of course. And it could be about a karmic cycle that you've been in. It can be about for a long time, maybe from birth to now, maybe for the last 2 years, maybe for the last 6 months. I don't know, maybe for the last year. You will work that out. Have faith. You know there's something better. Have faith. There is something better coming in. So whatever this tower is, it is unavoidable. Whatever this awakening, this magician, this manipulation, this trickery, this deception, deceit within you or around you, I've got a feeling it's around you. And that can be a belief system that you were brought up with, you know. Yeah, 3 of Cups, interference, celebration, Queen of Cups, and 5, 6, and 8 of Swords. Isn't it interesting? She never saw this. She never saw. She did. These swords are behind her, coming behind her. He, she, no gender. These swords are behind. This is something you didn't see. And I've put that right near the illusion and delusion card, the moon card, which can be, again, energy work, manipulation of free will, you know, people doing things behind the scenes, people doing things behind your back, people deliberately, that's the word I've been waiting for, deliberately. This person, they deliberately did it and they know it. They've been caught. They deliberately did it. The Chariot moving forward. Another major arcana, by the way. And the frequency's been raised, the decision's been made. It's to move everyone and everything forward. That's why they said it's going on the Tower card as the major arcana. That's what, and new cycles will be set and rebirthed with the Empress and Temperance, the bigger pictures stepping in, the King of Wands taking action here, and 10 of Cups and King of Cups. And the World card, reset cycle. There you go. That's the answer. That's the message. But what I wanted to say was, we've got the Tower card. The Chariot on that. That's going to happen, and it is to move people forward. It is. And it's not you making that decision. Normally, that's you making that decision. But there's a frequency raise. There has been a judgment, a fated wheel of change by judgment. And isn't it interesting? In this card, there's a 4 in there in the wheel, and 4 is about your security, your stability, the foundation you've been built on. It is also 4 is connected to God, the Word of God, and judgment. And look at the higher up. And look at the conflict, the deceit, the deception, the trickery, trying to get away. And look at the High Priestess. I can tell you here, if anybody has been manipulating energies, people's free wills, illusion, delusion. I don't care if that's been your whole life or it's current. If that's within you, just deceiving yourself, not seeing the truth, not seeing things clearly, you're about to. But I don't. I think this is a bigger message that the universe is bringing tower after tower after tower in people's lives. to bring the change and put them on the path they need to be on. And as I said, we either go with that or we try and fight that. And I suggest, yeah, Queen of Swords should try and fight that, argue that, but the Emperor has stepped in, that the final decision has been made. And the Emperor, I'll call that the universe, the higher up, whatever these towers are, that's the final decision. So don't even waste your breath arguing about it, trying to fight it, trying to talk your way, trying to manipulate it, trying to manipulate people's free will. The month of February, can I tell you, the readings are just, oh, wow. This is definitely beyond you, beyond me, beyond, you know. And there's so much light coming through. You know, we use cards, these are new cards, they're very slippery. So much light coming through. Even him defending, he, she defending themselves. These people are coming at them. He's not coming at them. He's just defending himself, he, she. But look at the light. Look at the illumination of that. Is there any other messages, Spirit? Because I feel this has ended. I feel I'm wrapping this up. Options are coming in. 6 of Cups, something you can grow. 10 of Cups. Know this. And Empress, beautiful. And Temperance. Know this for my collective. Whatever these towers bring, have faith. Have faith. Your ships are going to come in. You will end up rebirthing a cycle, growing something that can grow into harvest and keep growing better. So they're bringing you better. They're bringing you better. It is part of the future, the bigger picture. It's going to bring more balance. It's in flow and in cycle with the universe, and energetic growth, you know, an energetic cycle that needs to happen for growth of the future. And you will be happy. 10 of Cups, contentment and happiness. You will be happy. And that's probably why I felt I was really drawn to bring a reading out, because I do think the month of February is Tower. Towers are good, towers are not so good, whatever, however it rolls in your life. But I'm telling you, there is some stuff about to go down that is beyond us. And it's definitely from the higher up. Take care, guys. I really hope this helps you have an understanding, because he's looking into that one coin very deep. So whatever's happening, it's going to make you look very deep. The information is coming, and trust me, it's bringing you long-term security. So I would say anything that doesn't have a secure foundation in February will have a tower. And that is not you now running around trying to secure your foundation. That's the universe stepping in, and wherever you created illusion and delusion in a foundation is about to be within you, or around you, or in your life path, let's say. You're going to get clarity. You're going to get your 10 of Cups. You're going to get your happiness. You're going to be put on the right path. And that's happening through February, so we're looking into March and then April. Kind of feeling March is good. Okay? All right, take care, guys. See you later. Hit that like button. Thank you very much. Hope this helped you.